Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So my name is Dr. Khairul Farah Khairuddin and together with me is Nur Ain Ami Hussein. We are from Faculty of Education, University Kebangsaan Malaysia. So today we would like to introduce our innovation called Kit Detektif Makanan. Kit Detektif Makanan is an innovation made to help students with special needs understand food classification skills. So basically, the kit integrates visual, tactile, and kinesthetic elements to promote meaningful, engaging, and independent learning. The reason why we developed this innovation is because students with special needs have limited conceptual understanding. So they have difficulties understanding the concept and of healthy and unhealthy food. And by developing this innovation, we would like to students to understand why this food is healthy and why this food is unhealthy. And a lot of students with special needs have short attention span. So by having this multi-sensory approach will help them to remember more and engage more during teaching and learning activities. So this is our Kit Detektif Makanan. It is made from interactive classification board. We use two pictures of a person with good looking teeth and someone with teeth problems to indicate those with healthy and unhealthy food. And then we provided options of food, and at the back of the food has characteristics of the food to show which food are have bad characteristics to indicate unhealthy food. And then we also provided information sheet, including what are the detail of food. For example, Pepsi, how much sugar we have, how much fat and vitamin it has. And then this helps students to refer back to the information board to understand why and what are the characteristics. And towards the end, we provided worksheets to students. And with these worksheets help us to identify and assess whether or not students are able to achieve what we have targeted. This is how it works. Right? So as a summary, the teacher introduces the activity, students choose the options, and then they look at the nutritional indicators, and then they make a decision, and then they have to do the assessment, and towards the end, we are able to see their abilities in classifying food. So the impact of Kit Detektif Makanan is that it improves understanding, active participation by the students, and also it enhances confidence, which is most important for students with special needs because they mostly have low performance level, and this kit has shown to improve their confidence. So the novelty of this kit is that it is designed for students with special needs. A lot of resources are made for typical students, and this is interactive hands-on activities. It has simplified nutritional indicators, which is novel because if you look at products, food, sometimes there's a lot of information and a lot of students struggle to understand a lot of the information, but this kit help students with simplified nutritional indicators, and it is multisensory learning. We believe that we have successfully implemented the innovation. Students show positive improvement, demonstrate effectiveness in supporting students' skills in food classification, and we believe that it has potential to be implemented in various educational settings. It can be digitalized and it may be adaptable to other subjects such as science, mathematics, and health education. As a conclusion, we believe that Kit Detective Makanan is an inclusive and interactive multi-sensory teaching aid that helps students to enhance food classification skills among students with special needs. So we hope this has a wider implementation in the future and can be commercialized to other educational settings to promote meaningful and independent learning. With that, thank you very much for listening.